Today the live cattle was lower. The cash trade has been kind of sluggish. It looked like that there was an increase was expected later on in the day today, but it never really materialized. And so today just seemed to be a small pullback. And it's kind of interesting because there was like inverted deferreds. So today the upfront months were a little bit lower while the deferreds were a little higher. And on the feeder side, the feeders were a little bit lower, but their deferreds were even lower still. So there's a little bit of a change in optimism on how far this long-term uptrend is going to continue to go. That being said, we're still in that good channel. So the feeders were easier today, some profit taking once it hits the highs, but it hasn't really pulled it off and completely out of the range that it has been in. So we're going to watch that a lot. The cash trade it looks like it's still a little bit lower, and that's why it kind of pushed it down, but it's been light trading. So sometimes when that happens, especially when we're at one of the higher points in the markets, there will be, it will start to filter and just have a little bit of weakness. That being said, it really wasn't down that much. So we'll look for tomorrow, and as we get towards the end of the week, I think that we're going to see a lot more cash trade. That will give us a little more direction as to see if some of these gains we can add to or at least hang on to what we've already got. Now, hogs were mixed today, definitely testing contract lows again. It's almost shocking how low this has become with the resolution at hand, but I think this is the perfect time where we're saying that the White House has cried wolf so many times, and it looks like that the pork producers should really have a lot to gain by this resolution coming with China. That being said, production has kept pace, and so we're starting to build some big supplies. We're going to need some major exports in order to start to eat through some of these supplies, and I think right now we've got a little bit of fatigue, and that's why we're seeing the market sold and really pressing these lows. But now, that being said, this oversold situation is in play right now, and it has been in play actually for quite a while. So the market is ripe for a big rebound. When that's going to come could be anybody's guess, but a correction should be coming at some point, so we got to be very careful. The markets are kind of thin right now.